Milwaukee powered paint sprayer. It comes apart real easily for cleaning. It has this tube that's adjustable. So if you're gonna be spraying like the ceiling, you're gonna wanna put this tube back. If you're spraying, just going forward, it doesn't matter, you can have it that way. So I'll just leave it this way. You have your paint, you fill this up here, and in the book it'll tell you, depending on what you're painting, how much the paint is supposed to be watered down, basically. Because you can't just pour straight like latex paint or oil in here and expect it to go through. You have to water it down. So inside the book, it actually tells you exactly how to do it depending on what you're doing. So most people are gonna be painting with latex paint. So you fill the latex paint, you thin it down, you pour the latex paint in here, and it gives you a time. It should be like 45 to 90 seconds, it should drip out and empty this little carton here. And it comes with this carton. It also comes with additional nozzles and some other cleaning devices and things like that. So this is where the business end of it, this is where it comes out. The battery goes underneath here. You can use I just spilled some water, that's why you get water everywhere. A Milwaukee battery, and I'll just kind of show you here. We'll just use some water for now. And you'll see that it sprays the water, and I just sprayed water all over my wall. But basically, that's how it works. See? And then I can also adjust this. So right now it's in that orientation. If I unscrew it and then put it in, let me unscrew it and put it in like this, it'll change the flow, okay? So now it's fanned out like this. I can also adjust that if it's this wide, or I can bring it in by this knob right here, okay? See, it's getting wider and smaller. So it's extremely adjustable, I'm very excited to have this. Milwaukee powered, so you know it's gonna be good. You take it apart like that. This is what you have to clean. This is just the motor. So cleaning it, basically you just take everything apart, clean it out, get all the, run as much water through it as possible till you get some clear water coming out of there. And I think everything else is good. Uses oil, lacquer, varnish, latex, all kinds of paint. This thing will do it. So pretty neat. Milwaukee powered spray gun.